Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account access and security so the link won't fail mid-process. Sign into Steam on your desktop and the Xbox app on Windows or console. Make sure two-step verification is active on both accounts to prevent interruptions. Once signed in, locate the account or settings menu on each platform and keep both sessions open. This reduces friction when transferring permissions, and it prevents repeated reauthentication requests that often block the linking flow. Next, initiate the link from either Steam or Xbox depending on the game's instructions. On Steam, choose Account or Linked Accounts and select Xbox. On Xbox, pick Linked Accounts or External Apps and choose Steam. A permission prompt appears. Read it and accept the specific scopes like Achievements and Friends list. Make sure the displayed account names match what you expect, because accepting the wrong account ties progress incorrectly. Once approved, the platforms exchange tokens so your profiles can talk securely. Finish by verifying the link in both account settings, and then launch the game to ensure cross-platform features like cloud saves or friends lists appear. If something fails, log out of both services, clear app or browser cache, then repeat the linking steps. Temporary tokens or stale sessions are common culprits. Make sure firewall or VPN settings aren't blocking requests. If problems persist, contact support with your account ID, exact error messages, and timestamps so they can trace the failed authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.